right? I have no clue why my webcam decides not to work. Yeah, weird. Weird stuff. So, yeah, today we got final manufacturing PMI 945, which already happened. Literally, this was the news candle. So ass. We have non-farm employment change. Oh my gosh, NFP. Okay, hold on. Tomorrow we have NFP. Today we have PMI and JOLTS, which could do something to the market. So let's just see. Just gonna wait it out. Let me call this guy.
Play it again, nigga.
I don't know where the fuck. There's just so many wicks. So many. I don't even know what to do. Shit's buns. I'm gonna get in at a good price though. I think yeah. An entry at that gap would be not too shabby.
Order filled.
Super weird. I actually hate when
There
Order
we
filled.
go. Jeez.
what are we doing? This is crazy.
Oh no, it's over here. Faux schnickels.
Order filled.
Don't tell me I fucking closed early to take like $5 and I'm not gonna get stopped by another one tick. Cause I would be pissed. I would actually be fucking pissed. Still wouldn't have stopped me out. Oh my gosh. No, I'd be pissed. Genuinely, I'd be pissed. Okay, there we go.
Order filled.
Play it again, big man.
Order filled.
Alright, so let me explain my thought process a little. I know it might seem like I was revenge trading or whatever, but I wasn't. Um, so yeah, we came up into this 1 hour gap. We had some high time frame confluences, a 15-minute and a 5-minute bearish gap, and a breaker block. Had to wait for news, of course. Um, so yeah, we inversed this gap, came down, retraced into this breaker block. News candle came down a little more, retrace, was not seeing any sort of entry in here, came down, created this little gap, entered off of that. Um, I was a little de-risked, so I wasn't. I'm not too fond of taking $100 win when tomorrow I can lose $200. So if I'm gonna de-risk, it's obviously gonna be for a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 3 because small winners and big losers has been pretty difficult thing for me in terms of you know, becoming profitable. So I did have a like a fib retracement TP, which is what I wanted to use, and then obviously we came up, took out first take profit, came up and break even, and we came up into this 1 minute gap and then started respecting it again. Now the only reason that I re-entered is because if you look on ES and NAS, let's just look at the 5 minute. Looks like just a retrace, It's literally just looks like a retrace. Came up 5 minute. Like look at that 5 minute candle. That wickage. I know it's on both ends, but we're in the trend. We're in the 5 minute bearish trend. We're also in the 15-minute bearish trend. I mean, look, we still can go. We're still wicking out this price level, and we still very well could go. Like it's still respecting off of this 1 minute gap, and there we go. We're getting some displacement down to the downside. I would want to enter again, but then that would turn today into a losing day, and today's price action has just been a little too weird for me to want to re-enter. So that's why I got in. It kind of just looked like a sweep low retrace um, since my stop loss was at a protected low, I mean a protected high. That's why I was willing to re-enter because it doesn't fully invalidate my trading idea in the direction that I think it's going to go, but it does invalidate my risk and what I was willing to risk. Um, which is why I did that. And then I kind of risked what I had made because, it's just $100. Maybe today should have been a no trading day, but at the end of the day, it's just $100. Doesn't even help getting a payout. You need $200, and if you take out 50%, it's 50 bucks. So really, I didn't mind losing it in hopes of making a lot more. Now, obviously, this isn't about the money, but I do still think that we're bearish. I do still think that it's gonna rip to my TP eventually, but I'm just not in the position where I can risk a decent amount, or where I can risk something that I'm comfortable with and stay in the trade. Because again, you don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, trading day was a little weird. We did have that news, and it was a little weird how it moved. But yeah, I got out early before I hit my stop loss. Just because we had, you know, came down. It was looking really good. We came up, and then it came all the way up here, and I still didn't get out because we still hadn't made higher highs from these highs. And this right here is a protected high because it's a retrace. Now if we go retrace lower, higher retrace, then we're creating consistent higher highs instead of it just being a high time frame retrace like this. And now, you see we're about to break 5-minute structure if we close above here, and that's not what I'm trying to do. So that's why I didn't get out. Uh, Came down, came up, came down. Once we created this lower high and wicked above this, I said, no, I'm done, and I got out. $30 is literally nothing, but $30 is a lot better than losing 118, I believe. That's what I was risking. So I'll take that. Um, Maybe I shouldn't have traded today. I do need to work on my discipline and just not taking trades when I see a setup and trying to identify when price action is not favorable towards what I want to do, I guess. Some days it is and some days it isn't. I just don't really know when those days are and why. So I guess I need to figure that out. But yeah, if you learned anything, just like the video. Um, Type in the comments if you would want to be mentored privately. I don't even have a Discord yet, but I am open to that obviously because why not? I have a lot of knowledge that I could share with a lot of people. So, yeah, thank you for watching to the end, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.